lifestyle and lifestyle. They're migrant workers. They haven't moved to France, okay? These are immigrants, and they're illegal immigrants.
With the intention of living there and raising their kids, which is a huge deal.
We've let the left change the language again.
Anyway, that's pretty hilarious, Michael, that after Sharon Alfonsi of 60 Minutes talks about SUV after SUV showing up for people to walk through the fence hole. Nice job, fence hole. The official word from the official department in charge of this, of course, is
The border is secure.
how do you get away with saying that? Anyway, here's a little more from the 60 Minutes piece.
Why did you decide to come to the United States?
就是要离开中国，就想来美国。
不是你告诉我，这家没跟我过。
How to live there?
找工作很难找，是吧
How to find jobs?
What did you do? Did you work in China? 也是在厂里面上班，现在厂里面都不好做。Was this it? Perfect and then no problem, so far. She said it was, and that she sold her house to cover the $14,000 cost of her trip to the U.S.
Tell me, is gravel as noisy in China as it is here? Sorry, bad distracting. No, yeah, I was going to say, boy, they're funny Venezuelan accents those people have. No, there's some of the many thousands of people who've come from China. Our greatest geopolitical foe, and we have more on that, I know, in a second, but, I'm reminded sometimes I've rooted for terrible, terrible sports teams. And their defense is so bad. When somebody scores, I don't get mad. I think, well, of course you're going to lose. Our defense is so bad. As a country, we're going to lose. We're not even trying.
So what they say the person spent $14,000? Another person we talked to. 40 days. Doing planes, trains, and automobiles for 40 days. And finally had that SUV parking in that hole in the fence 60 miles east of San Diego. You walk through with the 60-minute crew there, filming you, and a border agent standing right there with his, I don't know what he's supposed to be doing. Not, I'm sure he has no authority or anything, but
Like a Walmart greeter. How you folks doing? Welcome to America. How are you? Good morning. Welcome to America.
yeah, here's a card. Lots of people from Chinese come here, according to 60 Minutes.
Last year, U.S. Customs and Border Protection reported 37,000 Chinese citizens were apprehended crossing illegally from Mexico into the U.S. That's 50 times more than 2 years earlier.
Apprehended is kind of a funny word.
37,000? Is that what they said?
Yes, 37,000.
Were apprehended, and of course we haven't got the slightest idea how many people got through that were not apprehended.
And those of us who are a bit old school or just old hear apprehended and assume and held. That's what apprehended used to mean. Doesn't mean that anymore.
Right.
It's like saying I apprehended my wife when I gave her a kiss when I saw her yesterday. It's just, no, I just stopped her briefly and inconvenienced her.
She finds your kisses inconvenient?
It was kind of a wry joke about marriage. That's one of my better. Yeah, well, and these people are briefly inconvenienced. All right, here's your paperwork. We're going to ask you to show up to a immigration hearing in the year 2027, somewhere or other. We don't know and we don't care. You know, get out of here.
Which should be embarrassing to have the words come out of your mouth. Here's some paperwork. You have a court date 10 years from now. Don't.